All right, just a little update on my Hyundai Veracruz. The rear air conditioning wasn't working because the pipes feeding the back evaporator was leaking. So one way of going around that is to bypass it completely. And this is a kit by Street Rod Guys, and it's made specifically for your vehicle, so you can actually stop it and bypass the rear. You got to stop both lines, the high side, the low side. It's pretty simple, straightforward. You put the nut on, the piece that compresses, and with this washer and this block, just tighten it onto the pipe, and it's done. And I'll show you how I have mine underneath my vehicle. Just bear with me as I try to sneak underneath here. And you can see it right here. I have both pipes. Got the high side and the low side. So the rear is blocked off, so I won't have air conditioning in the rear, but at least I have air conditioning in the front. Hope this helps.